who do we have here?
Corey.
And?
Jaime.
What are we doing today, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out?
Absolutely.
You're crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Your fault if this goes wrong then? Any last words, final comments, or confessions?
Nope.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out some jumps. Here we go.
Hell yeah.
Woo. All right, guys. Here we go. You ready? Get in. Let's get up and out of here. High five. What do you think?
Great ride.
Yeah! Pull that right one all the way down. Look at the camera. Smile. Oh, yeah. Nice. Good. Pull the left one down. Go all the way around. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah. All right, we made it back to the ground. What do you think of that?
It's great.
You have fun, huh?
Yeah.
Doing that again someday?
Yeah.
Next time you can play with my balls and open the parachute. Okay?
Maybe.
Good job. Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!